This is how I use a blending deck. Before we begin, notice that I cut the top corners. That's just for ease of use and organization. I cut the top right for cards that I'll put in the final position, and I cut the top left for cards that I'll put in the beginning position. If your student is not ready to blend together 3 sounds, start with vowel consonant, I, p, and then when he's ready, add back in that beginning consonant. The best consonants to start with in the beginning position are continuant sounds. These are ones that can be elongated or held out, like S. When first starting out, your student will touch each card, say the sound, then blend it together. S, I, p, sip. You'll change one card at a time. S, I, t, sit. When blending and reading, it doesn't matter if they're real or nonsense words. So you could have your student read a word like s-a-t, sot. To make it a little bit more difficult, when your student is ready, you can add in blends. K-r-a-t, crot. And by the end, we want your student to be able to say it fluently without having to tap the card. For example, crotch. I hope this helps.